I am me.
I am her.
And together,
We are she.
Or better known as Shelly&Mauv. What's up, guys? Welcome to our channel. Oh,
Yo.
by the way, thumbnail. So, today, as you saw by the title, we are
being all artsy away of us.
right, making a full face of makeup with only art supplies.
Paint drop.
Yeah. Want to tell them what we've got?
Got some paint.
Acrylic paint, watercolors.
Color pencils with some water.
Expensive color pencils underwater. Those Prismas, those good ones. Oh,
Some petroleum jelly.
yeah. Some more acrylic paint, more choices. Some Moroccan oil or argan oil for protective. What you gonna start off with first? Ooh, my whole body lotion off of just my face.
The eyebrows.
I think I'm gonna start off with mixing some paints together so I can get the perfect chocolate brown. So I'll start with priming. I'm gonna drop a little bit of argan oil in it. You want some in yours?
Okay.
Sure. Let us know how you like these DIY videos because we're gonna start making more and more of them.
I look like I've been chilling in the freezer.
Let it go.
Okay, scissors.
Not in here. But you know what? You might be able to rip it up with this if you use it right. Or these are bigger right here. Whoa. I'm just mixing up some black and orange and some yellow for a nice brown.
I just did my left eyebrow. And I'm going to do the same thing I did on my right one.
I'm still mixing colors.
Oh, this stuff is cold. Look.
I'm going to try to put this and see how it goes. Just try to rub it in a little at a time. That looks so wrong.
Okay, I'm going to try this neon looking yellow chartreuse. I don't know. This for highlight or whatever.
Okay, I'm going to do my nose. I didn't even think about highlight. I did. Ooh, okay. It's all smooth.
Wow, nice. Maybe if I keep rubbing mine some. You know what? No more paint. I'm just gonna smooth it out and see if that'll help. These colors don't show up very well on their skin, except for that one and that one. To do my eyebrows in this very dark indigo blue color. Let's see if it's working on my hand. Okay, we might have a little
pigment.
something. Come through indigo eyebrows. It actually is working.
True.
Bruh, why didn't I start with watercolors? I mean, it's the best thing out of everything I've used so far. Let's do some purple. Okay, I might be finding my niche right now with this whole art colors things. What'd you do?
None. I just...
Oh, blended.
Yeah.
I think the key with the watercolors are not to use so much water. It drowns the color out. But if you use just enough, I mean, it's kind of cute.
Looking like Molly's on a comfy couch. This is too much.
What is it called? The comfy couch? Really good concealer color. It would be a good foundation color, actually. Ooh, maybe I'll try a little orangey orange.
Yeah, this is different. This is different.
It looked like I was playing first. And the blue eyes. Just use some Vaseline and blend it in like I did. I had to make mine work. Then some little golden orange. brush or whatever this is on the lid.
Paint on the lips is not fun.
I look like I got burned.
If only I could find like a shimmer to do like a little highlight.
What even is this? I like a turtle.
I know you know how to make it work. How about that? You'll figure it out.
I like a turtle.
Stop! Don't make that face.
Okay, so yeah, this for me was a fail. Never again.
I like mine, but I start cleaning it off before we can end the video, guys. I'm sorry. I didn't love it, but I like the try messing with the eyes. That was pretty cool.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Love yourself, love yourself. Be kind to yourself, talk to yourself. No one can love yourself like you love yourself.
Let us know how you like these DIY videos.
Don't be messing with no A's. A's. A. Don't be messing.
Oh, got it.
Yeah. Shabbat.